Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by verifying hardware and software so G-Sync can engage reliably. First, check that your monitor explicitly lists G-Sync or G-Sync compatible. Next, plug the monitor into the GPU with a DisplayPort cable. Once done, avoid adapters that break the link. Then open GeForce Experience or NVIDIA driver downloads and install the latest driver. Make sure you restart the PC to apply the update before proceeding to the control panel. You'll now enable G-Sync inside the NVIDIA control panel and align refresh rates. Open the NVIDIA control panel and go to Display right arrow Setup G-Sync. Choose Enable G-Sync, G-Sync Compatible, and decide if you want full screen only or windowed and full screen. Full screen gives the most consistent result. Make sure the correct monitor is checked, then apply. Once applied, go to Change Resolution and select the monitor's native refresh rate so the adaptive sync can operate without conflict. Finish by testing and adjusting in-game settings so G-Sync runs smoothly. Launch a game and cap your frame rate slightly below the max refresh to keep within the variable refresh window. For example, set an FPS cap like 142 on a 144 Hz monitor. If you see tearing or stutter, enable V-Sync in the game when G-Sync is active or try NVIDIA Adaptive Sync option. If problems persist, confirm the monitor OSD shows the expected refresh and that no.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.